Liable means legally responsible for something, especially for paying money or dealing with a problem. In simple words, liable equals responsible. What does liable mean in daily life? A person is liable when they must pay for damage, are responsible for a mistake, must follow legal rules. It is often used in law, business, and daily responsibility situations. Very easy examples. The driver is liable for the accident. He is responsible. The company is liable to pay the fine. The company must pay. More simple sentences. Parents are liable for their children's actions. You are liable if you break the rules. The owner is liable for repairs, daily life situations. Employers are liable for worker safety. Shops are liable for faulty products. Drivers are liable for traffic violations. Student-friendly sentence. He is liable for the damage he caused. Important point to remember. Liable usually refers to legal or official responsibility, not just personal duty. Easy memory tip. Liable equals responsible by law.